Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have 60 to the power of 6 minus 50 to the power of 6. So we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here you just remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. And I can just give you a nice quickest ways in which you can easily get these answer or easily get the answer of this problem without any long calculations or without any calculator. Okay, I hope so you like this method. And now we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first we focus into the exponents of these terms, and it will be written as 60 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 minus we write this term as 50 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. And here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m multiplied by n is equals to a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this rule, we just here move this 3 inside the term, and it will be written as 60 cubed and its whole square minus we write this term as 50 cubed and its whole square. And here we need to use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this, you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So after applying this nice formula, we write our above expression as first you have a minus b. The value of a is 60 cubed minus the value of b is 50 cubed into again we have a plus b. The value of a is 60 cubed plus the value of b is 50 cubed. And further in the next step here, our next target is to find the value of 60 cubed as well as the 50 cubed. So that here we take we just take that 60 cubed, and the meaning of 60 cubed is that we just multiply this 60 with 63 times. Okay, in this way. Now here we need to find all of these per multiplication. These are the bigger multiplication, but calculator is not allowed in this problem, so that's why we need to do all of these steps here. And here first we need to multiply these two values, these two bigger numbers, and I hope so I can just give you a nice trick. I hope so you like this trick. So here in this trick we consider this is one digit number, this is our two digit number. So we multiply 0 with this value, we get 0, and when we multiply 6 with this value, you get 6 zeros are 0 and 6 6 are 36. And here our resulting answer is multiplied by this 60. And now here we again consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number, and we multiply 0 with this number, you get 0, and 6 times of this number equals to 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 becomes 21. So this is the value of 60 cubed. And in the same pattern, we need to find the value of 50 cubed. And now here we find the value of 50 cubed. So here we again take 50 cubed. And you know about that 50 cubed mean that we multiply 50 with 50 3 times. And now again we consider these two values, and first we multiply these two values, and we consider this is one digit number, this is our two digit number. So 0 times this number becomes 0, 5 times this number becomes 5 zeros are 0 and 5 5s are 25, and our resulting answer is multiplied by 50. So again we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number. 0 times this complete number becomes 0, 5 times this number equals to 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. We write 5 and carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 becomes 12. So this is the value of 50 cubed. So here we need to move backward, and we substitute this value and this value into this expression. Okay, so that here Our above expression is copied down here so that it will becomes, we have, this is 60 to the power of 6 minus 50 to the power of 6 is equals to 60 cubed minus 50 cubed is multiplied by 60 cubed plus 50 cubed. And here we just substitute these two values here. The value of 60 cube is 216 and 000 minus the value of 50 cube is 125 and 000. The value of this 60 cube is 216 and 000. The value of 50 cube is 125 and 000. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we need to first subtract these two values. So here you see that these are the three zeros, these are the three zeros, and when we subtract 0 with 0 you get here 0, and here we subtract 6 minus 5 we get 1, and we subtract 1 minus 2, you know that it is not possible here, so that here we take common 1 from here, so this will becomes 1 and we carry 1 here, and this 1 becomes 11. So this 11 minus 2 becomes 9, and this 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Okay, so this value is multiplied by, here we need to sum up both of these two values. So these are the three zeros, these are the three zeros. When we add three zeros you get three zeros, and here in the next step 6 plus 5 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1, so this is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and this is 2 plus 1 becomes 3, so this is 3 4 1 and 000. And further in the next step we need to multiply these two bigger numbers without using the calculator. So for this we rewrite this value as, we write this value as it is 341 and 000. We write this value as 90,000 and plus 1000. Okay, so here first we need to multiply this value separately on both of these values, and when you multiply this number with this it will be written as, so here we again consider this is one digit number and this is our 5-digit number. So here we need to multiply. When you multiply these 5 zeros with these number, so all of these multiplications we get 4 zeros. Okay, so these are 4 zeros, and when you multiply these 4 zeros with this you get here all zeros. Okay, and further we have 9 times 0 becomes 0, and this 9 times 0 is also becomes 0, this 9 times 0 becomes 0, and 9 ones are 9, and here you have 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, we write 6 and carry 3, 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 3 becomes here 30, so you get here 3 0 6 9, and these are 7 zeros. Plus when we multiply this number with 1000 you just add these 3 zeros here, and it will becomes 3 4 1 and 000, and we just add these 3 zeros here and it will becomes in this form. And here in the final step we need to sum up both of these values and we get our final destination. So you see here these are 2 4 and 6 zeros, these are 2 4 and 6 zeros. So when you add these 6 zeros we will get here 6 zeros. Okay, so these are the 6 zeros, 2 4 and 6, and here we have the remaining values are, this is 0 plus 1 becomes 1, this 9 plus 4 becomes here 13, we write 3 and carry 1, so this is 6 plus 3 becomes 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, we write 0 and carry 1, so this is 0 plus 1 is 1, and this is our 3, so you get here 3 1 0 3 and 7, and these are the 6 zeros. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.